A very warm good morning to each and everyone. Myself Archana from St. Peter's Secondary School. And this lecture is for class 2nd. In this lecture, we will learn the very first chapter of your English reader book. And the name of your book is The Midnight Oil. This chapter is a poem. And this poem is written by Anonymous. Listen students, Anonymous is not the name of any poet. Anonymous is written when the name of any poet, when it is not known that who has written the poem, the word anonymous is used. So, the name of the chapter is The Red Ball and the name of the poem is not known. So, that's why here it is written anonymous. Yes, the ball poem. This poem is about a red colored ball and a boy. Yes, before starting to read out the stanza, we will discuss about its summary. Yes, this poem is about a boy who finds a ball, a red colored ball, which all students like, right? You like to play football now? Football or ball, anything. So, in this poem, a boy who finds a ball and the color of the ball is red. He likes that ball very much and wanted to play with it. So, he brings that ball at his home. There, he doesn't tell about the ball to his mother or to his sister. He hides that ball from everyone. But at the end, the owner of the ball means the owner of that ball was a boy who comes and who recognized his ball and he takes his ball back from the boy. Yes, students, if you find something which does not belong to you, you should not take that with you. You should find about the owner of that thing and you should return that thing to its owner. Okay, so we will read out the very first stanza of this poem. Chapter 1, The Red Ball, Anonymous. Yes. Oh, look what I have found. A nice red ball. Yes, these lines are said by a boy who says, oh, look what I have found, means a boy who found a ball, a nice red ball, and the boy liked that ball very much. I'll keep it and make not a sound, means he says that I'll keep that ball with him and he will not make any sound. If he makes sound, anyone will come to know about the ball, but the boy does not want to know about the ball. And no one will know, not at all. Yes, if I will not make any sound, then no one will know about the ball, not at all. Yes, students, hear a word sound. What is the meaning of sound? Noise. The meaning of sound is noise. So, in the first stanza, boy says, means he finds a ball, a very nice ball, a red colored ball, and he says that I'll keep it with myself and I will not make a noise so that no one could be able to know about the ball. Yes, in the next stanza, it's fun to kick and play, means when I play with the ball, when I will kick it and when I will play with it, it will be very fun. I wonder what mother would say. Wonder means want to know. I want to know means a thought came into the boy's mind and he thought, if mother sees the ball, then what will she say? I wonder what mother would say. Behind the bush, I'll make it hide. So, means the boy does not want to know that mother will know about the ball behind the bush. So, he hides the ball behind the bush. What is the meaning of bush, beta? The meaning of bush is shrub. In your science, you learned about shrub and herb, na? So, bush means a shrub. So, the boy hides the ball behind the bush. And mother won't know I have lied. Lied means told a lie. Lied means told a lie. It is a bad thing. When you lie to someone, it is very bad thing. Yes, the boy says, I will hide the ball behind the bush so that mother won't know I have lied. And mother could not catch that I have lied. I told a lie to her. Yes. Third stanza. Then suddenly I heard a soft cry. Then suddenly I heard a soft cry. Means when he was thinking about all the things, means like he will play with the ball, he will hide the ball behind the bush so that mother will not be able to know about the ball. So when he was thinking about that, suddenly he hears a soft cry as someone is crying. The ball was Jamil's. Oh my. Means the ball was Jamil. Means the ball belongs to Jamil. Oh my. When Jamil saw his ball, he cried and said, oh, this is my ball. Now he will surely go and tell my mother and my sister Nell. Means he says that Jamie saw his ball and now he will tell my mother and he will tell my sister about the ball, that I have taken the ball with me. So I hugged him tightly and cried. So I hugged him tight and cried. Hug means to hold someone in your arm. So I hugged him means the boy hugged that boy whose name is Jamis and who is the owner of the ball. So I hugged him tight and cried, and I started to cry. And he pushed me away and sighed. He pushed me away. When I hugged him, he pushed me away. He pushed me and sighed. Sighed means let out a long breath. Let out a long breath. Why does it make you so very sad? Means Jamie says, why are you crying? Why are you looking so sad? You found my ball and he made me glad. Means the boy was thinking that now the boy Jamie will chide him because he had taken his ball. But it was not like that. When the boy hugged Jamie pushed him away and said, why are you being so sad? You found my ball. You found my ball and made me glad. Glad means happy. Means Jamie found his ball so that he was very happy. So, in this poem, hope you understood. Yes, again, let's summarize it. This is a poem of a boy who found a ball, a red color ball, which does not belong to him, but he took that ball with him, and he was also thinking that he will hide the ball behind the bush and will not tell about this to his mother and his sister. But at the end of the poem, the owner of the ball, means the boy whose name is Jamie, found his ball and took that ball back from that boy. So, the moral of the poem, you should know that We should not take anything which we find from somewhere, right? We should return that thing to its owner. Okay, hope you understand this poem. Okay, thank you.